Hey, I'm Margie with the Asking Spot. Got my latest project all ready to go. It is this curb find, and not sure what I plan to do with it, but hey, it was free. So, first things first, gotta get it cleaned up. I'm just recycling the pod container. It's actually just regular old dishwashing liquid. Hot soapy water is all I'm using to clean up the glass. I did have to use a scrubby pad though to get where the metal actually held on to the glass because that kind of left some extra residue. Not really sure what the deal is here. This thing is, well, cleaner, I guess, but it's still kind of lumpy dumpy. And the weird thing is the glitter. I don't know if you saw the video I did on a table that looked really cute. It was another curve find, but then it turned out it had sticky glitter all over it. Do one of those things. That I got from a neighbor that lived over there. This one was a curb find from a neighbor that lived over there. And it's got glitter too. I don't know what's up with that. Are my neighbors having glitter parties and I'm not being invited? Very sad. But I'm gonna try and bring out some sandpaper on this one. I wanna try and do it in an inconspicuous spot though, just in case I don't like it. So upside down we go. All right, with the magnet test, I know that this isn't brass or anything like that. I'm not sure I like the idea of sanding it down. I kind of like the patina it has. Since I wasn't sure with what to do with that, I decided to focus on the candle. The candle was really dirty, pitted, and it had a deep hole for the wick. So I decided to cut off about an inch's worth. And then I figured I could just go back with a lighter and clean it up where the saw edges were a little messy. Surprising how that little task made me feel all accomplished. It also helped me come up with an idea. I decided I'm going to get out some leftover paints that I had and go to town on the base. Here's some more time lapse. Whenever possible, turn a piece upside down and spray paint. Also, whenever possible, maybe use something on top of your drop cloth. but I guess this is for catching paint. But wow, did I get my drop cloth messy. Ta-da! So here it is done. Now to put it back together. This, actually, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's cool. It's clearly hand blown. It does seem to be a little, but I mean, it's got really wonderful bubbling in it. But there we go. We're putting this in. Now, while this was all drying, I thought, okay, I'm going to head off to Michael's and pick up some little of those not the beach pebbles, you know, the fish tank stones, the little glass beads. That would look really cool. I'd like to get it in the plum color, and unfortunately, they didn't really have it. It was either too red or too pink. It just didn't work. And then I was like, okay, I'll just go with white and clear. And then all of a sudden, I found these on sale. These are $2. It is corks. So for $2, I got lots of corks. And that just got me inspired. I was like, wow, I could start doing it, you know, anytime we had company over, because this is going to be the outside candle. And if we open up a bottle of wine, just chuck the cork in there and it'll be a great way to hold the candle. Now, I did like what I did with this as far as cutting it off, but it's still in a relatively form. And of course, I'm doing the white and burgundy. Not to mention, as luck would have it, I mean, this is sheerly weird. We were coming back from the craft store and just on the way home, and there was a sign for an estate sale. You know, I love estate sales, and we decided to stop. Look at this. It's matching. It's perfect. 50 cents. Yeah, I couldn't resist. So here's what I'm going to do with this whole thing now. It was just too easy not to try. It's a curb find. Let's see, 50 cents for the candle, $4 for my corks, which if you go to a restaurant that you like on a regular basis, you can ask them, hey, can you save some corks for me? Very often they already have some. Sometimes they'll just be obliging to you if you're a regular. You can get corks for free. The other thing was the paint. Now, I just used up some paint that I happen to have around. So honestly, I could have gone with any number of colors on this, and so can you. Hope it inspires you to take a second look at those curb finds and go ahead and invest just a little to make them have new life, because this now is sort of a piece I look forward to showing company.